This is problem number 10 from homework number 1. The question reads as follows. A wave travels with speed 200 meters per second. Its wave number is 1.5 radians per meter. What are its A, wavelength, and B, frequency? So for part A, they're asking you to find wavelength. So the equation that we can use is our wave number is equal to 2 pi divided by our wavelength. And we can manipulate this so we can find wavelength is equal to 2 pi divided by our wave number. The reason why we want to do that is because one, they already gave us our wave number, which we were told to be 1.5 radians per meter. And now we can plug in our wave number, so it's going to be wavelength is equal to 2 pi divided by 1.5 radians per meter. And our units would cancel out because the 2 pi, you're dealing with radians. And when you plug that into your calculator, you should get a value of 1.33 pi meters. And you can further simplify that to a value close to 4.18 meters. And then you have found your wavelength. So for part B, they're asking you to find the frequency. An equation that we can use to find the frequency is your velocity of your wave is equal to the wavelength times frequency. So we are also given our velocity of our wave, which happens to be 200 meters per second. From part A, we found to be our wavelength 4.18 meters. And we can once again manipulate the equation. So we are solving for frequency is equal to velocity divided by our wavelength. And once we do that, we can plug in our values. So 200 meters per second divided by 4.18 meters. And our units cancel out. And our value, when we plug into our calculator, we'll get a value of about 47.7 seconds inverse, which can also be written as 47.7 hertz. And so now you have also found your frequency and your wavelength. That concludes problem number 10 from homework number 1. Thank you.